Mastering Infinitives, the Basics Unveiled. Hello, English learners. We're back with a brand new video in our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving deep into the world of infinitives. What are they? How do we use them? Why are they important? All these questions and more will be answered in today's video. So let's unravel the mystery of infinitives together. An infinitive is a grammatical term in English. It's the base form of a verb, typically preceded by the word to. An example is to run or to eat. However, keep in mind that the to isn't always present. More on this later. For now, remember that an infinitive is usually a to plus a verb. The structure of infinitives in English is pretty straightforward. As we mentioned before, it's usually a to followed by a base verb. The base verb is the verb in its simplest form, like run, eat, play, and so on. For example, to go, to speak, to write, are all infinitives. Notice how the verb follows to without any changes. That's the hallmark of an infinitive. But remember, sometimes the to can be dropped in certain cases. These are called bare infinitives. For example, in the sentence, I made him go, go is a bare infinitive. Infinitives are versatile and serve many functions in a sentence. They can act as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs. For example, in the sentence, to read is fun, the infinitive, to read, is acting as a noun. In I have a book to read, it's an adjective describing the book. And in I read to learn, it's an adverb explaining why I read. Remember, the function of an infinitive in a sentence depends on how it's used. But rest assured, no matter its function, it's still an infinitive. Well, that's the end of our brief tour into the world of infinitives. We've covered their definition, structure, and some of their many functions. I hope you're feeling more confident about using infinitives in your own English speaking and writing. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using some infinitives in your conversations or writing today. Until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.